Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DGByte coin. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that DGByte coin first broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was a breakout. And by the way, before that, we also broke another falling wedge pattern as well. And now recently, you can see that it has also broken out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart as well. This breakout was happened on the 7 days time frame chart, and this recent breakout is happened on the daily time frame chart. And after the breakout, you can see that we had a long spike, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of 1.3 cents, and now it is about to test this quite long-term support of 1 cent. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again these breakouts which are happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And now we are having a very nice support of Ichimoku Cloud as well that was previously working as a resistance, and now it is working as a support. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for DigiByte coin that I shared, by the way, last year in June 2023 with my members. And this was a quite long-term trade setup because it was formed on a weekly time frame chart, and so far this move has produced almost 300% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup. For example, if this is the trade setup for CKB, you just need to click on the link. It will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal a few days ago on 23rd of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart, and before that I would like to show you this long-term trade setup that I shared on 6th of June 2023 with my members, and that was a very big harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern that DGByte coin formed on a weekly time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone, and this was almost 300% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of DGByte coin, and first of all let me show you the daily time frame chart. And previously you can see that it broke out this falling wedge pattern, then we had a nice pump, and after that recently it also broke out another falling wedge pattern. This time we had another very nice short pump. This was, by the way, almost 52% pump, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of 1.3 cents, and now it is about to test this quite long-term support of 1 cent. By the way, previously when it was moving down here, you can see that it was forming lower than previous low. At the same time, you can see that stochastic was moving up and it was forming a higher low than previous low, and you can see that the price then followed this bullish divergence signal, and we had a very short move to the upside, but again the price then moved down, and this time you can see that the price then is again moving down, forming another lower than previous low, but stochastic is again forming higher low. This is another bullish divergence signal, a very small bullish divergence signal, and you can see that the price then could not hit the support of 1 cent, and now moving up. And if this 1 cent support will be, by the way, broken down, then this breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be invalidated, because this is the recent swing low before breaking out this falling wedge pattern. By the way, the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, the technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 2.1 cents. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out two falling wedges. We broke out this wedge, then we broke out another falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very nice pump, by the way, from this low to here. It was more than 300% pump, and the price and during this rally has broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud that is now breaking as a very long-term and strong support for the past several weeks. At the same time, this 1 cent is also working as a very nice support with the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now we need to break out this long-term resistance of 1.3 cents that had been previously working as a resistance here. And here it had been working as a resistance and here as well. Here we had a long spike but the price and could not break it out. And now this time you can see it is again working as a very strong resistance for the past several weeks. Now, if you take a look at the targets, then we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this smaller falling wedge pattern. And another very massive move is still due. That is the target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 18 cents to 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.